$3 for 85 grams of protein. In this week's recipe, we're introducing an ingredient that we've never used on here before, canned salmon. It's cheap, at least where I live, and packed with protein. Today, we're making some quick salmon burgers. So let's jump right into that. If you've used canned salmon before, drop how much it costs where you live below. To make these, start with a mixing bowl. Add into it 1 can of drained salmon. If that's not your thing, I know some people hate the canned proteins, or you don't have access to it, use cooked salmon. I'll put the recipe with both and the metric conversions for every ingredient on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Continue with 2 large whole eggs, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and any other herbs, seasonings, or spices you want. I like a tablespoon of dried chives, a teaspoon of dried dill, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix those ingredients together thoroughly. From here, shape them into however many burgers you want. I went with 4. Take out a stovetop pan, turn the burner on medium heat, and add in a tablespoon of oil into it. Once that heats up, place your burgers in and cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes or until brown. Remove them from the heat and they should end up like this. Crispy and delicious. You can really pair these with anything. In a sandwich, cut up into a salad with rice over coleslaw, and so on. 2 other tips. 1, you can use half a cup of white beans and 2 tablespoons of oat flour instead of breadcrumbs. I'll have the nutritional information for both on the website. And 2, you can freeze these if you make a bunch of them and quickly reheat them in your air fryer. For our testing or guesstimating this week, we're gonna go with one of the salmon burgers. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below, and the closest one to it will win either a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.